Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a tricky SAT writing question about transition words. I will show you step by step how to figure out the correct answer plus some tips you can use for every SAT question like this. So let's jump right in. Here is the question. Um, Although those who migrated to California in 1849 dreamed of finding gold in Steamboat, the state's richest deposits were buried deeply in rock, beyond the reach of individual prospectors. Blank by 1852, many had given up their fortune-hunting dreams and gone to work for one of the large companies capable of managing California's complex mining operation. So the answer choices are furthermore, still, consequently, and next. So the question is asking us which choice completes the text with the most logical transition. So first, let's understand what's happening. The first part says people went to California hoping to find gold, but here is the catch. The richest gold was really hard to reach. Then the second sentence says by 1852 many gave up and worked for big companies. So what's happening here? People had expectation, reality was difficult, and then they changed what they did. That means the second sentence is a result of the first situation, right? So now let's test the answer choices. A furthermore means also or in addition doesn't work because the second sentence is not just adding information, it's showing what happened as a result. And option B still shows contrast. Could work sometimes, but here is the sentence more about cause, which is effect, not just contrast. And trusted next shows sequence or order, not the right fit, because this is about cause and effect, not time order. So the correct answer is C, consequently. Because consequently means as a result, which is perfect choice. This shows that because gold was hard to find, many people gave up. So finally, the correct answer is C, consequently. Here is a tip for the SAT transition question. Whenever you see a blank at the start of a sentence, just ask yourself first. Is this showing addition, contrast, cause or effect, or giving an example? Then test the word in context by reading it loudly. This trick works almost every time, so you can use these tricks for your SAT test. Alright, that's it for this question. And remember and understand the relationship between sentence first, then pick the transition word that makes sense. So if this helped you, hit like and subscribe for SAT tips and tricks and comment below. If you want a full video, I will make you on the transition word categories with examples. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.